What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change trim on your BMW X5 E70. This is my BMW X5 30D. I'm going to change all this silver trim, the chrome, to nice black trim. So first thing you need to do is remove all your old trim. I'm going to show you how to do it now. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that is the easiest. This one's the hardest, so I'm going to start with that one because you have to remove your wing mirror. To get to your wing mirror, you're going to have to remove your door cards, and then you should be able to get underneath here because there are a few screws that you need to get to. There's one underneath there as well. Okay, so first you got 2 screws. To get out, you use a T20 Torx bit. Next, you're going to want to wedge something in there. I'd recommend using plastic tools and just get this thing off. Make sure you don't rip anything. So then you got another 2 screws to get to. There's one in there. So once you get those 2 out, you got to get this thing out. Make sure you wedge something in there. There's a few clips, as you can see, and then you should be able to get that out. And there's one last one. Then once you have done that, all you have to do is go underneath, pull here and here. It'll all snap out. You got to use quite a lot of force, and then all you have to do is just lift it up, and it all comes out. Next, once you got the card off, you can just leave it hanging there. It should be safe. Just be careful with it, and then you have to get underneath here. There are 2 screws here, and there's one more under here. And then once that's off, you can remove the mirror, and then you should be able to get to the trim and get this trim off. Once you have the screws out, it will just come right out, and then you should be able to access that little bit of trim underneath. That's all you have to do. You don't have to completely remove it. Okay, once you got the mirror off, all you have to do is get some plastic here. Put some plastic on this, and then some wax. Just be careful with it. Eventually you should be able to get your hand there. It starts coming out. Just like that. Once you get some trim off, make sure you clean everything so you don't leave any dirt under there. So once you clean that, you can already start putting the new trim back. So once you got it in a little bit, all you have to do is press it down, and it will go back. It's actually much easier to work around if you remove the wing mirror. So it's only a little bit, one little clip to take out, and then you can actually put it aside. It'll be much easier to access this bit. I said once you've put that piece back, you can put the mirror back. Make sure you put all the screws in, all of these, like that. the bottom ones, and then to get it all in, just get this in. All you're gonna do is squeeze this together and it'll pop back in, and then all this, just give it all a whack, it'll all pop back in, and then just put your trim back, trim there, and then you're done. And then the next thing you have to do is just get all that off, which is the easy bit. Okay, so to get the top piece off, you want to get the rubber bit off first. Just get that out. Just have to put something behind there and just pull it out, and then remove all this to get access to the chrome. All you have to do is just pull it up and completely take it off. It'll be easy enough to get it back on. So once the rubber's off, you just want to push this trim off and it'll all come off like that. It's not the easiest thing to do, so just be careful. You're gonna need to use a lot of force, but it'll all come off that way. So as you can see, these things are just they're sliding out. So once that's removed, you can put your new trim in. So as you can see, I've put the bottom bit in. The rubber goes into this groove, and then all you're gonna have to do is just follow along. It'll go in there by itself. But once that's in, you can actually finish putting the rest of this trim in, and then just finish off the rubber, pull it all the way up to there. And that's it. As you can see, all you have to do is press down on the rubber as you go up, and it'll all fit nice and flush. And as you can see, that's the first door done. That's literally the easiest part. This is the hardest piece to change because of the wing mirror. The rest is really easy. You just pull it off. This is the same as that. You just take the rubber off and pull it off. With this one, you just pull it up, and this one I'm going to show you is really easy. Okay, so as you can see, I've removed this rubber. It goes all the way down there, so you start from there, pull it up, and then what you do is exactly the same as on that one. All you have to do is push that way and it'll come out nice and easy. Just be careful, try not to bend them, but you might have to use quite a lot of force. Just push them that way. Okay, so once you've got that trim off, you get the new one, line it up, make sure it's all lined up. You will see where the old one's been, and then just pull it back on. Same with the next one, and it'll all go back nice and easy. It's hard to get them off, but once they're off, they're easy to get back on. And they're clicking. That is nice and snug, as you can see. The next thing is just get the rubber back in there, line it up, and then it should go all the way back and around there. There's actually a little piece on the rubber that you want to get on there, as you can see, and that'll hold the rubber in place. And then all you have to do is just pull it along there, press it all in, and then it should be done. Okay, so as you can see, I've put the rubber in. It's all nice and snug. The top piece is done. Just got this one. With this one, all you do is the same as this. You just want to start at one end, whichever end you choose, it's up to you. And you're going to push up. Might need a lot of force, like I said, or eventually, actually this one's coming up without no tools, so all you have to do is just push up, just go along slowly, try not to bend it, and then it'll just come up. Then just clean what's under it and put the new one back on. And that's it, that's off. just got to clean it, and I'm going to put the new one on. Okay, so what you want to do is just align your trim. I'll try to do it one side first, then all you have to do is push it down as you go along. Eventually it will go down. You just have to keep pushing it. Sometimes it's a bit hard. All you do is just push it down. Okay, so as you can see, that trim is in place. I had to use quite a lot of force. I had to press down as hard as I could. I had to use my whole body weight just to get it back, but as you can see, it's nice and flush. Next piece is just this one. This one, all you want to do is get a bit of plastic in there and it comes straight out. This is absolutely the easiest one. That's all you have to do, and that's it. That's the old piece. And then obviously there is a load of dirt underneath there. You want to get all that cleaned out, and then you put the new trim back in. Okay, as you can see, I've got as much as I could out of there. You want to make sure you get in those cracks underneath there, in there as well, because it'll affect your fitment if you got dirt in there. But what you want to do now is start with the top, and you'll see it's quite hard to film. Be easier with two hands, but you'll see that these just go in there, and then you just follow it down. Make sure you get these in the holes. Just press on it. See, it's all going in there nicely. And then on the bottom, you just finish off. I might have to touch up these with some paint, because I got these used. But as you can see, they go in there quite nice. If you've got a bit of a gap here, might have to clean a bit more, but eventually I should be able to get that in fully. Just go, that's right. So you want to make sure you follow it around, because I've missed that one. Don't know if you can see it, but that's why it wasn't going in. And then finish off on here. Yep, that's it, that's much better. Right, and that piece is in. That is literally the easiest piece. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, as you can see, all that is changed. It makes a huge difference to me. Don't know how about you, but you don't have to change these as they are already black. So all you need to get is the black trim. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces that you need. The hardest one to change is this one because of the wing mirror, because you cannot get to it there, so you can't get it up because of the wing mirror. But yeah, that's it. Obviously I need to give this a good wash, and then it'll be perfect. But thank you for watching. Hope the video helped you out. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try and help you as much as I can. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, and I will see you in the next one.